Check it out, I got you some new shoes for the RV.
Wow, it's like set it and forget it. You're never gonna have to bring those wooden blocks again.
Yeah, once you put it on there, it's good. Much wider. These stay on your jacks. Set it and forget it.
It's like all-terrain jacks.
It's good because those metal jacks, when you're on uneven surfaces, you know, it might bend or something. If you got gravel, this gives you a much bigger footprint for it to be much more steady than just blocks. It's much safer.
We never know what surface we're gonna get at a campground, and these are awesome.
We'll get them on all the other ones too. Let's go.
Snap them in.